can I pack it? Oh, what is this? I can't. Oh. King indeed. My God. Oh, how stylish, how stylish. I feel the smell. Oh. Just one by one. Oh, oh, oh. I'm shocked. Oh. What a distinguished gentleman! Oh, look at him! I think it smells. Something smells. Oh, cute! How cute! Oh, you're very, very cute.
Cat, what have I told you about opening vortexes in the house?
Just tired, just go away.
Get down. Oh my God, you're gonna rip the screen. Get
How? Give me some, give me some, give me some. I want some. I also want some. If it was me, I would give. Oh, you're my pony. You're my white pony. I love you. Oh. Supper?
Look at this distinguished gentleman. Look at the way he is sitting. Yes, very
How
distinguished.
elegant, you know,
Mhm,
like.
I see, I see.
Oh, in a warm sweater. Oh, in a hat. Oh, you're so cute. Oh, you're so beautiful and cute. Oh. They're together too. The rentals are so unusual. Oh, that's usual. Cats usually lay like this. Boxes and cats is a big love, you know. Oops.
Doing it
Wow.
Yeah.
Why like this? Like, you know, I'm a queen. I'm a queen. I'm a beauty queen. Oh. Wow. Uh-oh. That's uh-oh. Oh my God. Oh my God. I can say that also. Oh my God.
There it is.
He did it. It has a heart on its back. Cats are so wow, it's a real mountain cat. Always wanna play. What a cute baby, cute baby. Oh my God, how loud, how loud. You're beautiful, but too loud, I'm sorry. Oh, I also want to lay like this. It's really, oh my god, it's so good. So guys, see you later. It was very nice to have time with you.